goats are waiting for a snack.
Here you go. Here you go. Here you go. Whoa! Whoa! Here you go. Come on. They're scared of the big goat? Is that what it is? They all ran away when the big goat came over here. No, you're too big. Look, Ben. Look at the goat. Look at the goat. Look.
Can you say goat?
Mommy, do you have any more?
Feed the little goats. They are scared of the big goat. Oh, that was nice of you to feed the little goat.
You want Ben to feed him?
I don't really feel like getting him out of the stroller when he's being good. Megan, how does it feel when the goat eats out of your hand?
Cool.
Ooh, the white goat's coming over here to get some food.
Any more?
I just stepped and smashed one.